Hello everyone, my name is Irfan Zafar and I will briefly present our final project, the Curious Footwear. The Curious Footwear is social networking that focuses on showcasing and discovering pre-owned footwear that allows users to share and have feedback from other users about their shoes. Let's take a look at the application. So in the landing page, we have newest feedback section and featured post section. And in the newest feedbacks, we have our newest feedbacks from the user itself. On the featured posts, there are all random posts and the following posts. So we have to sign in to see our following posts. So let's sign in. If you don't have an account, let's sign up. But I already have, so let's sign in. Once we finish, we will redirect to the landing page. So we can see our following post. I follow this post. Let's create new post here. I want to share, let's say, my Nike shoes rather than mid one. Let's choose image. This image about the purchase date, let's say 3 January, and the category is casual. So the original price is the price when you bought these shoes. So let's say 1.2 million. So the initial price is how much do you think your shoes worth? So I think it's only 1 million now. So it's for the description. Let's take this paragraph and then create post. After creating post, we will redirect to our profile and see our post in here. So let's take a look. So our post has been successfully posted. So we can see the image of the post, the name and the description. So we don't have any feedbacks in here. So let's take a look at another post. Let's say this post. So this post has a few likes in here. So we can like and unlike the post. We can also see a few feedbacks in here and the price the user suggested. So there are additional price and most suggested price. The difference is the most suggested price is set from the most liked feedback. So as you can see, John Doe here has the most like, so that his price is set to this section here. If we like, if we unlike this post, let's say, and like this post instead, so let's refresh, we will have another most suggested price. So it depends on how much like and how much the suggested price is. If it has the same like, so it will be decided from the higher value. The other thing is we can also give feedback. So let's feedback. I would like to say 2 million. I think the shoes is great. Send. So our feedback is shown now, but this value doesn't affect this price because it has zero like. If we like the comment, so it has the same like as the others. If we refresh, so our feedback price is shown in this section. But if we like this comment, it has to like, so that the most price now is 1.6 because this comment has to select in here. So that's it's the most unique feature we have. So let's move to our profile. In our profile we have our post list in here, and we can also edit our profile and change our profile picture. And in this landing page you can see people's feedbacks on posts. So let's say we want to see this comment on this post. Yes, this is the comment. And the last feature is searching the post. Let's say sneaker, hit enter, and then we will be given the sneaker result. I think that's it for our product demo. So let's get back. So this is our project service architecture. For storing data, we decided to use MongoDB Atlas as our cloud databases because it really supports our collaborative development so that everyone can access and manipulate the data by accessing this our server application that's connected with Momus as the ORM. The server application itself is made from Node.js with the help of Express framework. We use Yarn as our package manager and GWT as our user authentication. To connect the server with the client side, we use React as our front-end library, connected to the server with the RESTful API. We use Redux as our state management and Bootstrap as our layouting design framework. Different from the server application, we use npm for our package manager here, but both application is safe and controlled from Git and GitHub, and both application is deployed to this same platform, which is Vercel, and we as the end user can access this application. For the main problem we have are updating the current state without the read component and the 401 server error. The updating current state problem is where the components must update the current state and match an HTTP request using dispatch at the same time. And the solution to this is create service on the Redux slice and multiple conditional statements on the component. And for the 401 server error on or unauthorized, the problem is there will be an unauthorized message response when it hits the HTTP request with the put method. So the solution we have is creating a custom header into Redux function before making a request, so that the server application can properly receive the header. For our user testing, we almost have a perfect scoring for our user interface design. So our respondent really likes our design. and also the response shows that the information given from the application is proper and decent. And other suggestion is that uh, they give they give suggestion about validation on something. So the common response we get is uh, we should show notification message of a specific action. Users unable to properly create a new post after creating new account, and users also unable to hit the follow unfollow button on mobile device. So the improvement and change we had are we changed the post registration flow so that after creating new account it redirects to the login form, and we temporarily disable creating new posts and feedback on mobile device, and create follow or unfollow component on the mobile device so that we can use the function on the mobile. So I think that's all for the presentation. Thank you so much.